Hi guys, today in this very short session, we'll use how to use calendars in Microsoft Excel. Uh, the shortest, the fastest, and the easiest way to use calendar is by choosing a template. So I'll choose one of the templates given in Excel uh, package known as Evergreen Calendar. I'll just click here. Now, this is a calendar made on a monthly basis. So here it is the year, and in this arrow, if you can see, these are the months and dates. And for each month, there are dates and days of the week. So what you can do is you can start writing, say 20th 01 2020, and that is say report submission. Say it is for your university, you have to submit a report, so you can mark it as an important date. And here, if you want, you can write notes, uni report, and similarly for each month you can in advance you can write all the details of your important dates, and if you want to give some kind of a uh, you can provide some kind of a label for that. Similarly, we can say in February, on 10th of February, so we can write 10th 02 2020, say first quarter report, and here you want to list important report. So you can organize your daily targets with this, and another thing you can do is mm, you can use conditional formatting, say highlights, colors, cells, text that contains, say report, light red fill with dark red text. Sorry, I didn't select any cells for that. So what we will do, I'll select the whole sheet, and then I'll go to home, conditional formatting, text that contains, report, now although these green color ones are important ones, but you have given some extra weightage to uh, these red color ones. So similarly, you can use this calendar for your yearly schedule. There are other templates available in Excel which are for your daily to-do list, that is daily schedule, and those daily schedules you can extend for each day for the year. So this is just for information that instead of noting down on a text pad or Word or using Excel in your own format, you can use these calendar templates very effectively for your schedulings and your annual targets, etc. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.